Welcome to our guide on Filmora's text-to-video conversion. Today, we'll explore how quick and easy it is to turn your text into captivating videos, along with the numerous benefits it brings. Let's start with an overview of the Filmora interface. The layout is user-friendly, featuring various tools and features specifically designed for text-to-video conversion. Follow this step-by-step guide to input your text into Filmora. It's as simple as selecting Text from the toolbar and typing your content directly into the editor. Filmora offers a wide range of templates to choose from. Picking the right one can enhance your message and make your video stand out. Now it's time to customize your text. You can adjust fonts, colors, and even add animations to give your video a unique flair. Next, let's add media elements. You can enhance your video by incorporating images, additional video clips, and background music that suits your theme. Don't forget to preview your video. This is your chance to make any final adjustments to ensure everything flows smoothly. Once you're satisfied with your project, it's time to export. Filmora allows you to choose from various formats and provides easy upload options. Here are some tips to make your text-to-video content more engaging and professional. Maintain a clear message, use high-quality images, and keep it concise. In conclusion, we encourage you to experiment with Filmora's text-to-video features. Unleash your creativity and start making stunning videos today.